Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazila Tadi Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we will learn to create glitch effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image, click on this lock to unlock the layer, Ctrl J to make a copy of it, select the layer 0 and select the blending options from here. Uncheck the red channel and click OK. Select the other layer, choose the blending options and uncheck the blue and green channels and click OK. Move the layer to the bit right. Select both layers and press Ctrl E to merge it. Make a copy of it using Ctrl J. Rename the layer to image. Grab the selection tool and draw a rectangle over here. Select the image layer, Ctrl and drag it. Again, make a selection, Ctrl and drag it. Repeat the process. Drag each selection opposite to the former one. Adjust the opacity according to your document size. For my document, it's 45. Make a copy of image using Ctrl J. Go to Filters, Pixelate, Mezzotint, keep type long stroke and hit OK. Set its opacity and ta-da! We made it! That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!